Utah judge has just ruled on the fate of the prosecution team in the upcoming murder trial of Tyler Robinson. Robinson is accused of killing conservative activist Charlie Kirk, and this judge today ruling that all members of the prosecution team can remain on the case. NewsNation's Alex Caprariello is standing by live with more on what that judge just ruled, Alex.
Yeah, that's right, Nicole. With the judge denying the defense's request to disqualify the Utah County Prosecutor's Office, it sets up that possibility for long-term appeals should Tyler Robinson be convicted and sentenced to death. Some legal experts think it was a long shot already to begin with Chief Prosecutor Chad Grunander's daughter not really a material witness. She claims she never saw Charlie Kirk get killed, and she wasn't traumatized by his death. And the prosecution claimed it never actually intended to call her as a witness when this trial does eventually begin. And the court agreed, saying the defense did not make a strong enough argument that a conflict of interest does exist in a way that the entire prosecuting team would need to be thrown out in this major criminal trial to start from scratch. Let's take a listen to the moment that the judge issued his ruling.
Because the defendant has not established a factual basis for a finding of conflict of interest or an objective appearance of impropriety rising to a constitutional concern, his motion is respectfully denied.
And the court is planning some upcoming hearings to discuss the capacity that the media will be allowed inside that courtroom. Transparency, of course, at the center of so many of these arguments, with the defense arguing that Tyler Robinson's due process rights have been violated by ambitious reporters and photographers who are sensationalizing coverage of this high-profile death penalty case.
All right, so Alex, what are we hearing from Charlie's widow, Erica Kirk?
Yeah, she plays a huge role here, with her pushing the court to release all documents and allow the media to cover this trial thoroughly. The way she handled her husband's assassination has propelled her to the forefront of political conversations, and she's effectively taken over the leadership role at Turning Point USA, which influences millions of young conservative voters. And then just moments ago, Nicole, we learned that Erica Kirk has been invited to President Trump's State of the Union address. We should all expect her to get a warm welcome and a round of applause, when that president most certainly addresses her in his remarks tonight.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.